Have you ever wondered what happens to your kitchen waste? Those onion skins, orange peels, and tomato leftovers. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into powerful, organic fertilizer that gives your garden plants new life. Today we'll show you how to create liquid and solid fertilizer from simple kitchen scraps, right at home. Start by collecting your everyday kitchen scraps. Use onion peels, potato peels, orange skins, salad leaves, and tomato waste. These are rich in nutrients: potassium, nitrogen, calcium, and vitamin compounds that plants love. Place them into small, clean containers or jars. Do not fill the container completely. Leave some space for air circulation. Once you've added the kitchen waste, close the lid loosely to allow air exchange. Store the containers in a warm, shaded place for about 3 to 5 days. During this time, the waste begins to ferment naturally. Beneficial microorganisms break down the organic matter, transforming it into a nutrient-rich mixture. After a few days, open the containers and add clean water, just enough to cover the waste. Mix it well using a stick or spoon. Then, let it sit again for another 3 to 5 days. This stage helps extract nutrients into the water, creating your first batch of liquid fertilizer. Now, it's time to separate the liquid and solid parts. Use a cloth or fine sieve to filter the mixture. The liquid part, dark brown and slightly thick, is your organic liquid fertilizer. It's full of nutrients that help plants grow faster and stronger. Pour this liquid into a clean bottle. Before using, dilute it with water. 1 part fertilizer to 5 parts water. Use this homemade liquid fertilizer on your vegetable plants, flowers, or fruit trees. Pour around the base of the plant once every 2 weeks. You'll notice greener leaves, faster growth, and healthier roots. Your plants will thank you for the natural boost. Don't throw away the leftover solid waste. Add some fresh water again, stir, and leave it for a few more days. This will produce a second, lighter batch of liquid fertilizer. Again, filter and use it the same way. Dilute with water before applying to your plants. Now, take the remaining solid part and spread it out under sunlight for several days until it becomes dry. Once dried, it turns into rich organic compost. You can mix this dry compost with garden soil or sprinkle it around plants. It improves soil texture and adds slow-releasing nutrients. From onion peels to orange skins, from tomato waste to potato peels, everything you once thought of as trash can become life for your garden. This is nature's cycle: simple, powerful, and sustainable. Try it today and turn your kitchen waste into pure gold for your soil. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural garden hacks and eco-friendly tips.